Hey y'all, coming to you from the international headquarters of ScottieDTV, but I was at the 2020 Pigeon Forge Rod Run, and there's never enough time to shoot all the cool at the Pigeon Forge Rod Run. And what I like to do is at least show you the cars that were in on the inside. Now, I had a dirty dozen up there. Usually we do it in the spring. This year, because of COVID, it was pushed to the fall. So I was really busy with that, and I didn't get out and enjoy the outside stuff as much as I would have liked. So I apologize to the people that were out there. I know there was cool stuff. I walked by, I seen some of it. I just didn't have any time to get the camera and get out there and shoot any clips of that. But I did get what I think is a rather nice walkthrough of the stuff that was inside. So anyways, I hope you enjoy it. And get the camera, turn around, check it out. Nice 63 Chevy pickup truck, bright red. Nice stance on it. '35 Dodge pickup truck, two-tone black and silver. Street rod pickup. Like that turquoise on there. I pinstripe it. It works for me. 69 Chevelle. Very clean car. '38 Plymouth street rod. All these cars inside are very nice. They get screened before they get in there. '37 Chevy street rod, bright red, red on red. Good looking car. Another bright red. '67 Nova though. You know I dig these this generation Chevy 2 Nova. '67 they were Novas, I believe. Make awesome hot rods. Any color. Get stance and wheels right and you're on your way. 1954 sedan delivery. Chevrolet. I dig deliveries. They're kind of like utilitarian hot rods. You take your crew with them, a little bit of luggage, you can actually get out and use one. '70 Z28 Camaro. We got a feature coming up on this one. Awesome car. You know, I'm a big fan of the second gens, and this one was nailed, to say the least. Very, very cool car. '37 Ford, as sexy as they come. Will you look at that car? I mean, that car is just dripping cool. Dig the color, wheel choice, everything about it. '57 Bel Air, gasser style. Those always make me smile. Bright red, can't complain about that. Red and black interior. Good looking car. '1970 GTX, Plymouth GTX, bought brand new, one owner, first car has ever had it. Bought it brand new, had it ever since. How cool is that? I can never do that, but I wish I could. '64 Plymouth. You don't see a lot of Plymouths. It's a good, nice, clean car. Again, if it was inside a Pigeon Forge Rod Run, they have to be nice to be in there. 57 Bel Air. I like the color. Wheel choice works. Nice stance. Nice clean car. 51 Ford F1 pickup. Go Vols. It's a 51 because that's when Tennessee won the championship. It was 1951. How cool is that? Let me say go Vols again. You know I was loving that. '68 Camaro. There is a feature of this car when it first got done at Riffy's Hot Rods here in Knoxville. Real nice car. 71 Nova. Shot a feature on this car too. Man, bright red interior, great stance, awesome car. Got that one coming too, so stick around, ScottieDTV.com. '78 Chevy pickup truck. Done like the day it came, minus just you know, owner's choice of wheels, I believe, but everything else looked pretty much factory. 55 Chevy utility sedan, 150. What about that? '68 Camaro, another one you can see on ScottieDTV.com. Has a Holcomb interior. Very cool car. Nicely done for sure. '66 Nova, nice clean car. I keep saying that because that's the description for every car that's in here. These cars are all really nice cars. And outside there's plenty more. I just didn't have time to get out there. As you can see, I was hustling the ScottieDTV Dirty Dozen, 59 Corvette, and trying to get through here and get these shot for you too. It's a good looking car. I like that black and red and silver combination. 70 Chevelle. Again, I think right back to stock. Maybe even all original. That paint looks awful good, but no liberties taken is my point. 32 Ford, can never go wrong with that. Hemi in it. Ford and a Ford, Chevy and a Chevy, and a Hemi and anything, right? You never go wrong with black and red combination. 55 Chevy. '69 Ford pickup. I shot this one at SEMA a couple years ago. This truck has been in a bunch of magazines. It's way cool. Yeah, it's one of my favorite Ford trucks of all time. If I'm not mistaken, it used to say Boss on the bed. It says Ford back there now. 32 Ford pickup. Cool little street rod. Blue with some red and white pinstriping on it. Go America. '63 Nova. I shot this one at Auto Crusade car show. There's a feature on ScottieDTV.com on that one's already posted. A very, very, very nice 1972 Monte Carlo. I need to shoot this car one time. It's been at the show several times. Not sure why I haven't, because it is an awesome car. Have to get that done one day. Another 32 Ford. Dig the scallops on the side of it. I think it's the right color red too. That works for me. Who doesn't like a 60 Cadillac convert? Big Daddy laying on the ground. Very, very cool cars. Big Sexy, 1936 Chevrolet. Sedan was a car, is now a truck. Of course, there's a feature on that. Shot that at SEMA, had it in the Dirty Dozen. My buddy Chad built it. Very cool car, truck, whatever, both at this point. And of course, there you goes John's 1972 Ford F100 F1K twin turbo. Very cool truck. Of course, there's a feature on that. ScottieDTV.com. 1930 Ford Nailed. Have a feature of this one coming up at some point. ScottieDTV.com, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter. Follow us on all those. And one of my favorites of the show, a 1955 Divco milk truck. I thought this thing was way cool. There is a feature of this coming up on ScottieDTV.com. So anyways, hope you've enjoyed the walkthrough 2020 Pigeon Forge Rod Run. See ya!
Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.